Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I want to share an album I made following a tutorial by Ivanka from Scrap and Coffee and using the Christmas in the Country paper pad by Prima marketing. The album is 9 1/4 tall by 10 3/8 wide and it has a 2.5 inch spine. And here we have two angled pockets, and this is an element. I will link her video below for this album, and she has a tutorial on Etsy available for this. And this is a special element that she has in this album with these tags. And they have pockets here. They're pretty snug in here, so there's no danger of them falling out. And then on the other side we have another set of tags. Okay, here we have a really big page with a lot of room for photos. And for this collection I also had one of the ephemera packs and the crystals, so I've added a few in the album. And as you can see here, this has some gold foiling. Here we have a big pocket. It's on the entire height of this page. And then here we have another set of angled pockets where I've added some more tags. And the empty space here fits a 4x6 photo. Here we have, no, we don't. Yeah, another big page. Here we have again pockets with this beautiful diamond shape. Two more crystals, and then this opens to another deep pocket, and it's held down with two magnets. Another simple page that can hold several smaller photos or a big one, and another pocket with some ephemera pieces and some more of the crystals. Okay, here we have the same element as on the first page, but rotated, so the tags go in vertically. And here we also have two smaller pockets, and I've added two cards from the ephemera pack. And this is actually a big belly band behind this, so we can add a big photo mat here or anything else. Okay, then we have one angled pocket over here and a big deep pocket on the side, and this is a small tuck spot in the big page. Here we have another big page, and this is similar to the diamond pocket, but this is a single big wide pocket, and then another one here in the front. And this actually has a separator in the middle, so we can add photos on the left and right without them moving from one side to the other. And that is it for the album. This is, I don't think I mentioned it, the pages are 9 by 9. This is the first time I had this size. I usually have 6 by 8 or 8 by 8, and it was interesting to have this size of album. I really liked working with this design, and there were a few elements here that I haven't done before. And it was also nice because I was able to use a single pad of this paper, and I don't have too much left over, and it's a nice album. I know I can get back to if I have one pad of papers, and I know I have enough to create a full album without needing to get any extras. So if you like this, make sure to check out the link to Ivanka's channel in the description, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.